Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hindi CBSE Classroom. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button next to it so that you will get notification whenever I post a new video. So I have also created separate playlist in my channel for each and every class separately, and I have mentioned them in the description box below, so you can see and select from there. So today we are going to learn class 8 chapter 2 Laak Ki Chudiyan. I am just going to tell you the summary. So it will be a short summary of this chapter. So what is lac? Lac is a material with which in early period they used to make. Even now they make, but they are not that familiar. They used to make bangles. They'll melt it and they'll hit it very hard, and they will mold it in the shape of bangles. Chudiya means bangles. So this is a story about a bangle maker named Badlu. So there was a bangle maker in the Badlu in a village, and this also a story about a child who used to visit his maternal uncle's village, and there he would see this bangle maker. So it's just a memory of him seeing him work and how he used to make bangles. So this bangle maker, whenever this child, that is this boy, would come and meet this bangle maker, he would sit daily with him and he would make him, who the bangle maker would make some gotiyas with the leftover lac material. He would make some golis or like balls, colorful balls for him as a gift. So he used to enjoy that a lot, and he used to call him Badlu Mama. But no, yes, he should call him Badlu Mama, but he won't call that. He will call him Badlu Kaka because he liked that name. And where this person will sit, this Badlu used to sit in a stool in his courtyard, near a courtyard, and under the neem tree he used to sit. He would have a hookah in his side and fire on the other side. He will melt, and using cylindrical rods he would make the lac into bangles. So this was his routine, and when the boy comes to him, he would show him how it is made, and also will give him small balls of colorful balls to play. So that was their routine. So and Badlu used to also give him like the cream, leftover cream from the milk, and mangoes and all. So he used to like him a lot. The boy used to like the Badlu a lot. Then the Badlu was a bangle maker by caste also, that is Manihar, and he never used to sell his bangles with cash. He always used a barter system, that is, he would sell his bangles and get grains from them in return. So that was his that was how he used to sell bangles. But in case of marriages, that is when someone demands him to make bangles for their daughter, or for their whatever, for the marriage function, the main bride, that time he used to uh, keep the cost of the bangles very high, because he believed that the bangles are very special for the marriages. So he felt I should charge more. So he would charge more, and he would get paid very highly, because his chudiya, that is his bangles, was very famous in that area and also in the nearby villages. So and one more thing, he used to hate glass bangles, and if he sees someone wearing that, he will start scolding them. So he had very like hatred towards the glass bangles. But this boy used to tell the Badlu that in cities and all people wear only glass bangles. But what the Badlu will reply, the city life is totally different. Even the ladies there will hold their husband's hand in public and walk. So it is totally different from the village, and they are very slim and weak, and so they cannot manage to hold the lac chudiya, because lac bangles are very heavy and very strong, and the weak girls or weak ladies cannot wear them. Then Then what happened, he used to go to this maternal uncle's village more often, but suddenly his father, the boy's father, got transfer, and he couldn't go to that village for like 8 to 9 years. Then suddenly once he got a chance to go back there, and when he went back there, he almost forgot about the bangle maker. But one day when he was playing with his sister's bangles broke, and it was a glass bangle. So at that time he remembered about the Bablu Kaka, whom he used to meet in his childhood. So he thought, why not just once go there and meet him. So he went there, and he found out that when he went to his place, there was no fire, there was no bangle making process going on. He had totally shut it down his business. So he asked him why he has shut down his business. So Badlu replied, now it is the age of machines. All the bangles are being made by machines, and there is no like demand for his bangles. So he had stopped making bangles, and his last what he this Badlu made the last pair of bangles for a wedding. That was for zamindar, that is the main very rich person of this village, that landlord. So there he made for him, but he didn't give him, because he felt like he was being disrespected all the time, because no one was demanding his bangles anymore. So he kept it for himself, and he gave it to his daughter to wear it. And so he felt very sad, and he said like he had to sell the cow and everything in order to meet his day to day requirements. So the boy felt very bad for him, and still he was feeling, and also he the Badlu gave him mangoes, and treated him very very well. But at last he felt very sad for the Badlu, because that time he was very famous bangle maker, and all the villagers, and also from the nearby villages, people used to demand for his bangle. But now he has to like adjust his life, and he was suffering, because of the industrialization, or because of the machine age. Lots and lots of people have lost their job, and they are suffering. So he was feeling very sad, but at last he felt good that he never lost, the Badlu never lost his respect in his mind, because at last also he fought that I would not give you my bangles to the landlord, because he was feeling the respect in his mind. So he was little what to say, he was little okay, that still okay, he is respected in his mind, and his personality is not breakable as the glass bangles are right now. So that is the brief summary of this chapter. So I hope you understood. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.